Hey everyone, welcome back. If Tinder is not showing any matches or likes, this does not always mean there is a problem with your account. Follow these steps to fix it. First, check your internet connection. Make a weak connection can stop matches from loading, so make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi. Then go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Tinder and then close it completely, then reopen it. This refreshes your profile and match data. Make sure your Tinder app is updated to your latest version. Go to App Store, search for Tinder and then update your app from there. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so make sure to update it. Outdated apps may not sync matches correctly. Next, go ahead and log out of your account and log back in. This forces Tinder to reload your profile information. Now check if you have recently changed your location or profile settings. Filters such as distant, age, or visibility can hide matches. After refreshing your profile, give the app time to update new matches, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.